Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to download WordPress theme from cPanel. First thing first, open your hosting cPanel and enter your username and password. Scroll to the software section and click WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Now on the top right corner, click the navigation arrow. Select Manage Themes from the menu. Now a new window will open showing the Install tab. You'll see a list of pre-installed themes with their status like active or deactivated. Now, activate a theme. Find the theme you want to activate, then toggle the switch button beside it. Your current theme will be deactivated automatically and the new one becomes active. Now, to install or download or upload a new theme, you have the first option, which is Install from Repo. Stay in Manage Themes, then click Add Themes. Type the theme name in the search bar, then select Find the Theme and click Install. And the second option, which is to upload a theme. In Manage Themes, select Upload Theme, then a drag and drop upload box appears. Drag your theme's zip file into the box or click to Browse and Upload. And once uploaded, you can activate it in the same way as above. And that's it. You can now easily activate, install or download WordPress themes through Softaculous in cPanel without touching code. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more.